In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence has become paramount for students striving to excel in their studies. Let's explore why students should embrace AI for their academic pursuits and how digital library apps can significantly enhance their learning experience. First and foremost, AI offers unparalleled opportunities for personalized learning. By analyzing individual learning patterns and preferences, AI algorithms can tailor educational materials to suit each student's unique needs, maximizing comprehension and retention. Digital library apps serve as invaluable resources for students eager to delve into the realm of AI. These platforms provide access to a wealth of educational content, ranging from introductory tutorials to advanced research papers, all at the touch of a button. One of the standout features of digital library apps is their comprehensive collection of free certification courses. Whether you're a novice or an expert, these courses cover a wide array of AI-related topics, empowering students to enhance their skills and bolster their resumes. Moreover, digital library apps curate a detailed list of AI websites that support education. These websites serve as hubs of knowledge, offering everything from interactive learning modules to collaborative forums where students can engage with peers and industry professionals. In conclusion, the integration of AI into student studies is not just beneficial, it's essential. With digital library apps paving the way for personalized learning experiences and access to a vast repository of educational resources, students have the tools they need to thrive in an increasingly AI-driven world. So why wait? Embrace the power of AI for your studies today. Download digital library apps now. Visit www.digital-library.in.